Today, I am trusting my 4-year-old and my 6-year-old to do my makeup. Do you guys know what could go wrong? Guess what could go wrong? And please watch this video until the end and tell me if I should go out like this. In fact, rate their makeup, rate what they have done. 4 years and 6-year-old doing this. Like, I'm really proud of them. The fact that they even know that they can take care of a woman or that they can make a woman look beautiful, that's enough for me. Sometimes it's good for us to give our kids that chance that they deserve. I think it's a very good thing. Please watch the video until the end and don't forget to share, like, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you. Yeah. What? Who is that? Come in.
I want to make you beautiful.
You want to make me beautiful? Okay. With what? You say you want to make me look beautiful.
Mommy, I just saw in kindergarten.
Okay. But you say you want to make me look beautiful. With what?
With your color.
With my color?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to sit down and allow you to make me beautiful. Okay? Do we have a deal? Deal. Good. Wish granted.
Music is strong and over suppress. We got like people make me dance. With our rhythms where they put them in trance. From the streets to the high places. My giant tunes express smiles on faces. Oh joy came me down, we they shine bright. Lighting up the darkness with our lights. With our tunes we then make you feel alright. Oh joy came me down, we they shine bright. From Lagos to Kano, we no go tire. The rhythm is great, just like fire. Oh, joy, yeah, me down, we dey shine bright. Lighting up the darkness with our lights. With our tools, we dey make you feel alright. Oh, joy, give me down, we dey shine bright. From the morning to the night, we will play. The sound of our culture, no go fade away. Every drum, every bass, to make sense. Like our music, is strong and no go suppress. We got like people make me dance. With our rhythms where they put them in trance. From the streets to the high places. My giant tunes express smiles on faces. Oh, joy, get me down, we dey shine bright. Lighting up the darkness with our lights. With our tools, we then make you feel alright. Oh, joy, get me down, we dey shine bright. We beat every wall to young. We dey light up the world, no lie. Now we dey carry the joy every day. Music, the flow just like water day. From the
Mommy, we are done.
Thank you. I look beautiful. Oh my jeez. Thank you so much. Wow, this is my Christmas makeup. Oh my God. Can your kids ever look at me now? Oh, looking so beautiful like my son, right? Thank you guys for the makeup. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Do you know how much this makeup would have cost me if I had gone to the studio? Do you know how much? Have you seen the latest makeup in town? Hey, give me high five, Joe. Now, boys, they run now.